Okay, now the supply and demand for central bank money. See, we're going to find out how the interest rate is determined in the economy, right? So when you're finding that out, that how interest rate is going to be determined in the economy, you have to think in terms of what is the demand for central bank money and what is the supply of central bank money. Well, if you look at the demand for central bank money, this will be equal to demand for currency by people plus the demand for reserves by bank. So who is going to demand central bank money? People and banks. Okay, people will demand central bank money for the currency purposes, while banks will demand for reserves purposes. Supply of central bank money okay. Who is going to supply central bank money? Central bank itself, right? So that is under the control of central bank. And the equilibrium interest rate will be at the point where demand for central bank money is equal to supply of central bank money, right? So we're going to do some work on this demand for central bank money and supply for central bank money more. Well, if you look at the demand for central bank money, what can people do? People can hold currency also, and they can also hold checkable deposits. So people, they can hold currency plus they can hold checkable deposits, right? And of course it is their decision that how much of money they want to hold as currency and how much of money they want to hold as checkable deposits, that is deposits in bank. Well, the money demand function, okay, the demand for money, when you say demand for money, and when you say money, it means currency plus checkable deposits, right? It means currency plus checkable deposits. So what is going to determine this demand for money by people? Of course, your transactions demand for money. That's what we have done in the last video. Transactions demand for money, and the speculative demand for money. That's what it is. That means your money demand function is YLI. That is, it is dependent upon output or income, and it is dependent upon interest rate. It is positively related with the income, and it is negatively related with interest rates. That's what we have seen in our last lecture. Also, demand for currency we'll write as CUD is C into